Did you know if you invest $5 a day over 40 years at an annual return of about 10%, you're looking at accumulating $797,000. And you'll have only put in $72,000 of your own money in that 40-year stretch. Now, if you want to start your $5 a day challenge, head over to the show notes below, click on the link, and join Robinhood, which is a great trading platform. They'll give you free 2 shares at the moment just for signing up, and each one could be anywhere from $5 to $200. They are literally giving you free money to start your investing journey. So head on down to the show notes or down in the YouTube comments below and get started today in your investing journey. That free share could turn into almost $800,000 down the line. You're not going to want to miss. So check it out.